today's video is we have another vlog, which is we are going to unbox my another parcel. So ayun naman talaga guys, no, wala akong mag-order. Kasi nagbadyo ako last week, kaya marami akong ipon. Nagmukhang badyo ako guys. So ngayon, simulan natin yung cargo. Open ko. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga parcel ko guys. Ayan.
Wala bang babae dyan?
Yung babae, ikaw lang, pero tumboy pa. You are my tumboy sister, you know?
No.
At ito yan. So let's find out what's the inside of this mystery parcel. Oh, mystery parcel. Mystery parcel. So this is it. So we are going to open this big one. Oh, this is. So guys, we are going to open na. So may plastic pa.
Wala pa rin mong iwan, magkasunod pa?
And this is the first. Cute. I mean, blue, the blue color.
Not like that, can I? Ayaw, don't like that.
Wala po mahal.
Don't use it like that.
Can I get
Ganun,
that? So guys, actually this is not mine. I will give them. Okay. Okay, this is my model guys, my brother. My model guys.
Actually,
Rate the product, rate the product.
this is the product of
Dubai, pagpakadyarin.
this is the product of the early Shopee.
Lagyan mo kayo sa bisod. Hirapan talaga.
Okay guys, this is another.
Wow.
Matumitan yung wow.
This is the first hat. This is my sister guys. She is my tomboy sister, you know. She is precious very so common. So she's my model now.
People in the world do that.
Let's try it. Let's try it.
So I rate this product, guys, 10 out of 10.
Okay, 10 out of 10. So ang ganda ng product guys, 10 out of 10 yung rate ng tomboy sister ko. And this is the another color, all cowboy. So it is better for the white people, you know.
Guys, I'm gonna award her.
Because okay, put an award me because you give me an award, you know. Okay, another parcel.
What? This is exciting.
Yeah, let's find out guys.
So ngayon guys, black na naman ito kung bagay ba talaga? Oh, bagay pa rin guys
Bakit guys?
Bagay pa rin Ito naman guys Ito, tingnan natin.
No. Ukalo, you look like ukaw.
Dapat ganito pa guys
Don't like that. Ako be.
Oh,
Give it to me.
so
I'm
cute.
handsome.
Handsome. You know,
Okay guys, let's start. Let's start this one. Let's unbox this parcel. Okay?
What? Okay?
Okay, something
Okay, open na.
Okay,
Open na.
let's open.
Open up.
Never. Thank you guys. Oh.
Pagkakamas pa tayo ang blender.
Huh?
Oy, blender ito. Di ba ulit na nagbase tayo sa ang kundi katong daw sa
What is this?
What is
Can you
this?
visit? It's Lobito.
Lobito product. This is very expensive. That's why this is the product that I told you that I'm going to ask for donation that who can pay this product because for me it's expensive. I don't have money, you know. I don't have money. So, but now we have to open, even though there's no donation for that rather. But I'm still buying this product. Okay? Now it's open.
Guys, hindi tagan siya nakaipon na siya.
Alright, nag-ipon ako guys. Naghihingi akong pera sa, you know, sarili ko. Sa sarili ko na guys. Pinag-ipunan ko ito ng isang araw. so anyway, this is my new. What's this? Bag? No. Can you guess? Shoes. No, it is not. It's engineering clothes, you know? Hot. This is hot, guys.
Cold.
Okay, can you guess? Seriously.
Blanket.
Blankets. Okay, guys. She guessed it as blankets. So now let's find out if it is blankets.
Blanket.
Wow! Look! It's very gorgeous. Besada.
I don't think.
Wow. I like the color, guys. Oh, but it's too big. Oh, it's too big for me.
Try it. Try that on. Try
Oh,
that on.
it's too big. Choosing.
Try that.
It's too big. I don't like this. Okay guys, let's find out if bagay ba sa akin. Kung hindi, wala tayong choice kundi itambay sa sa drawer. Kasi hindi ko naman magkamit. Kasi ang taas sa akin, large pala to. Tapos yung size ko is small or medium lang only. So guys, ito na po yung almost 20 kong damit. Tapos ganito yun. Oh, I'm not happy with this. Ito yun, napakaluwag guys. Napakaluwag, large to eh.
Pakaluwag.
Ito yun.
Ito ang red.
Guys, ang pangit pala sa akin. So guys, ito na po yung dress in order ko. Ang pangit pala. Ang laki sa akin. Okay. Very large for me. The size is very large. It is, seems like I must say, ordering this product. Yes. Ang laki po niya sa akin, like, large. Yung size ko is small. It's very disgusting. Another one we have here. Another parcel. Actually, binuksan ko na po ito guys. Sobrang excited ko. Dress din po ito. This is another dress. I like this color. Jenny, why are you doing like that? Okay, this is dress. Sobrang excited kasi ako kaya binuksan ko itong dress na. So, ito po yung dress na isa ko in-order ko. Parang taba ko tingnan nito. Tapos yun, tapos yun. So, ayun na po yung pagtatapos ng vlog ko guys. Oo nga pala, binigyan ako ng ganito ng kapatid ko kasi bibigyan niya ako ng award guys for the most ko daw para order of Shopee. Ayan, binigyan niya ako ng kapatid ko. Anyways, so far hindi ako satisfied sa product na ito kasi ang laki, very big for me. And also, I'm satisfied with the hat, with another dress, with a black dress, but this one is a very expensive dress for me. I didn't like the size. Although I like the style, but the size is very long. It's very big for me. I didn't like this. So, ngayon ko lang po natapos yung vlog ko. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!